Hey guys! So today I'm doing another tutorial. I'm sort of doing my look of like my haute couture, like avant-garde version of the stars. Today we're using this palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. And we're also gonna use some rhinestones, as you could tell. These are the rhinestones I absolutely love. Oh, yeah, I love you. That is what I'm gonna do today. And if you wanna know how I did this, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take a really nice dark brown eyeshadow. And what you're going to do is apply this to your lower lash line. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to take a really nice light highlighting color and you're going to highlight the lid with this. Apply this to your eyelids. Okay, now you're just going to take the glue, apply it to your eyes like that, and you take your rhinestone. And you're